Hello student, Hemant sir is here again. So today we are going to understand the chemical properties of methane. Okay, so before going to start the chemical property, we have to understand one more important note about the methane. Okay, so methane was discovered by Italian scientist called Alessandro Volta in between 1776 to 1778. Okay, when he was studying about the gases which are found on marshy places, that time he discovered the methane gas, which is also called as the marsh gas because it is found in marshy places. Okay, so this is the very important point about the history of methane gas. Okay, now we are going to understand the chemical property of the methane gas. So chemical properties is nothing but the chemical reaction of methane with other substances or metal or non-metals. Okay, so first we have to understand the combustion reaction of methane. So combustion का मतलब भी होता है to burn. Combustion means to burn. Okay, so we know methane is very flammable gas. So we have to write methane gas is very inflammable. Flammable. It burns in presence of air. It burns in presence of air. Okay, so first we have to write the reaction, then we will write the description. Okay, so it burns in presence of air with blue flame. With blue flame. Okay, now the reaction for combustion reaction of methane is the CH4, it is the methane. When it burns it is in gaseous form. When it burns in presence of oxygen gas, when sufficient oxygen is supplied, it gives, see here, carbon will get fully oxidized to form carbon dioxide gas. Okay, and hydrogen is also present here. Hydrogen also will get fully oxidized to form twice H2O. Why twice H2O? Because here we have 4 hydrogen and here in H2 only 2 hydrogen. That's why we have multiplied it by 2. Okay. Now we have to balance the equation. See, carbon we have 1, carbon we have 1. Hydrogen we have 4, hydrogen we have 2, 2's are 4. But oxygen atom, here we have 2 and 2, 4, and here we have only 2. So here in order to balance the reaction, we have to multiply oxygen by 2 coefficient. Okay, so this reaction is burning reaction. Okay, burn. So along with heat energy is also released, and that heat energy is used for the cooking purposes. Okay, so now we have to write the name of reactant as well as product. It is the methane gas. It is oxygen. It is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. It is water. And heat energy is released. Okay. So now we have to write the description for the reaction. Okay, so the description will be when methane gas is burned in presence of sufficient oxygen gives carbon dioxide gas and water is formed. Water is formed. Okay, so this is the first chemical reaction of the methane. Okay, so you have to write the note as well as the first chemical reaction for methane gas. Okay, it is nothing but the chemical property where the combustion reaction takes place. Okay, so write it down, then we are going to understand the next chemical property. Okay, so write down first. So now we are going to understand the next reaction of methane gas, and which is the chlorination reaction. Okay, so first we have to understand this with the help of chemical reaction, then we will write the description. Okay, so when methane gas, it is CH4 gas, when reacts with chlorine gas, and there is a condition of when the mixture of methane gas and chlorine gas heated about 250 to 400 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, in presence of ultraviolet rays, UV rays. Okay, they gives chloromethane, that is CH3Cl, along with hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, is formed. Okay, during the reaction. Okay, during the reaction, this CH3Cl is formed, will get further reacts with chlorine gas to form CH2Cl2, that is dichloromethane. Okay, that we have to write again. When CH3, the product formed during the reaction, which is CH3Cl, will again react with chlorine gas, the condition will be the same. Then they will form CH2Cl2 by the removal of HCl, which is the hydrogen chloride. Okay, this CH2Cl2 will again, it is dichloromethane, which again reacts with CH2Cl2, will again reacts with chlorine gas. When the condition is provided, will be the same. It is 250 to 400 degrees Celsius temperature and in presence of UV rays. Here again 250 to 400 degrees Celsius in presence of UV rays. Okay, they gives chloroform, which is CHCl3, which is CHCl3, when again HCl is formed. Okay, then this CHCl3 will again react with chlorine gas. CHCl3 will again react with chlorine gas when 250 degree Celsius to 400 degree Celsius temperature is provided in presence of ultraviolet rays. Even we can use the sunlight also. Okay, so we'll give CCl4, it is carbon tetrachloride, by the removal of hydrogen chloride. Okay, so when the chlorination reaction takes place, okay, chlorination is what? It is the addition of chlorine gas. Okay, so when chlorination of methane takes place, the reaction will continue till all the hydrogen atom of methane gas will not get replaced by the chlorine. Okay, जब तक सारे के सारे हाइड्रोजन एटम क्लोरीन से रिप्लेस नहीं हो जाते, तब तक रिएक्शन प्रोसीड रहेगी और अल्टीमेट क्या फॉर्म होगा? CCl4. Okay, so this is the way how chlorination reaction takes place. Now we have to write the description for the reaction. Okay, so when methane gas reacts with chlorine gas at 250 to 400 degrees Celsius temperature. In presence of in presence of sunlight or ultraviolet rays. Sunlight or UV rays. UV rays gives chloro derivative of methane. This reaction is called as chlorination reaction. This reaction is called as chlorination reaction. Chlorination reaction. Okay. So now we have to write the name of the reactant and product. So it is methane. It is chlorine gas. Chlorine gas. It is chloromethane. Chloromethane. It is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. It is dichloromethane. It is chloroform. It is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Okay. So students, this is all about the chemical properties of the methane gas. Okay. So this is again the very important reaction that you have to understand. So for better understanding, do keep repeat the video once, okay, so that you will understand each and every concept of the chemical properties of methane. So students, today we are going to complete our session here itself. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.